The dual-use design of wheeled and tracked vehicles is a brief technological branch in the history of armored vehicle development, mainly existing between the two world wars, when track technology was still in need of improvement. By adding a wheeled structure, vehicles were able to achieve excellent road speed and off-road performance. This design rarely appeared after World War II, and the Soviet Union developed several, including the 911 project. The geographical environment of the Soviet Union itself, as well as the lack of road infrastructure on vast land, placed high demands on the passability of vehicles. The 911 project was proposed in 1963, and it was specifically designed to create an excellent amphibious vehicle with terrain adaptability. The 911 project has a similar appearance to other Soviet infantry fighting vehicles, with a 300 horsepower diesel engine installed at the rear of the vehicle body, using mechanical transmission. The infantry fighting vehicle is equipped with a conventional tracked walking device, with 5 pairs of hollow load-bearing wheels, 3 pairs of support wheels, and the drive wheel at the rear, allowing the infantry fighting vehicle to achieve a maximum speed of 57 km per hour. Unlike other dual-use wheeled and tracked vehicles, the 911 project installs 4 wheels on 2 axles inside the belly track, which can be raised and lowered by hydraulic equipment, with power only driving the rear wheels and the front wheels responsible for steering. This design results in a smaller wheelbase, giving a somewhat unstable feeling, and the wheels are taken from aircraft landing gear wheels, with the disadvantage of poor wear resistance but the advantage of strong load-bearing capacity. This allows the infantry fighting vehicle to achieve a maximum highway speed of 108 km per hour. The wheels have the ability to travel on water, and on water, they are driven by water jets at a maximum speed of 10 km per hour. The track section has a hydraulic tensioning mechanism to avoid the track being too tight or too loose. The conversion from wheels to tracks is controlled by the driver, and the conversion process takes about 3 minutes. The driver has a power-assisted hydraulic steering wheel. The standard configuration of the infantry fighting vehicle includes a crew of 2. In addition to the driver, there is a vehicle commander in the turret, who also serves as the gunner and loader. A 2A28 73mm low-pressure smoothbore gun is installed in the flat turret, with 40 rounds of ammunition, and the gun elevation angle is -4 degrees to 30 degrees. The auxiliary weapon is a 7.62mm machine gun with 2,000 rounds of ammunition. The 911 project has a low-profile design, with a total weight of only about 12 tons, a length of about 6.7 meters, a width of about 2.94 meters, and a height of about 2 meters. In addition to the crew, it can carry up to 8 soldiers. Due to the limitations of the vehicle's weight and size, its armored protection is generally average, similar to the BMP-1. The Soviet Union produced a prototype of the 911 project and conducted extensive testing in 1964, which proved that the dual-use design did indeed achieve the intended design by adapting to different terrains, especially with much stronger road mobility than other tracked vehicles. However, it also had inevitable drawbacks such as complex structure, difficult operation and maintenance. The wheels located at the belly of the vehicle could not be fully retracted into the body, and during off-road mobility, the wheels could press against protrusions, in turn lifting the tracks and reducing traction. Taking all factors into consideration, the Soviet Union did not continue to improve the 911 project. Instead, the Soviet military equipped the BMP series of infantry fighting vehicles, indicating a return to conventional design and the abandonment of the complex dual-use wheeled and tracked design. The prototype of the 911 project is now stored in a museum.